Namaskar, Sat Sri Akal, Adab, hello and a very good morning to one and all. I'm Dr. Shalaka Parkar, Dean at Dr. D.Y. Patil Educational Complex, Akurdi, Pune. And on behalf of Honorable Dr. Sanjay D. Patil Sir, President Dr. D.Y. Patil Pratishthan, Honorable Shri Satesh D. Patil Sir, Campus Chairman, respected Colonel S.K. Joshi Sir, Campus Director, Professor Prabhat Ranjan Sir, Vice Chancellor, D.Y. Patil International University, Akurdi, all the respected principals of colleges under the aegis of this campus, HODs, faculty members, staff members and students. I welcome all of you to this beautifully landscaped campus of ours, which is spread over 33 acres of land and located in Akurdi, Pune, Maharashtra. Let me tell you that this campus of ours stands tall as an obelisk of academic excellence. We have a glorious past of 36 years of spreading the light of education by being a candle and a mirror that reflects it. And thus, we have been successful in nurturing young talent for our mighty nation, India. So come along with me and breathe into this fresh air that is lingering over the mesmerizing and lush green lawns of our educational complex. Take a look at the academic blocks of our educational complex, which offer education in various disciplines like engineering, polytechnic, degree pharmacy, diploma pharmacy, architecture, applied arts and craft, MCA program, MBA program, agro-business management and a CBSE school. You name it and we have it here. Let me tell you that we have 15,000 plus curious and engaged students studying with us, a highly qualified and experienced more than 1,000 plus teachers and 600 plus faculty members under our banner. Also, we are all fully equipped with the statutory requirements such as digital classrooms, digital infrastructure, well-equipped libraries, well-stocked laboratories, and we have a very good ultra-modern auditoriums, seminar halls, training and placement unit, extravagant campus cafeteria, student activity lawns, amphitheaters, sports complex, homely hostels, gymnasium and state-of-the-art English language laboratories, medical facilities and so on and so forth. We at Dr. D.Y. Patil Educational Complex, Akurdi, Pune, the entire team, inclusive of the management, the principals, the HODs, the faculty members, the staff members and students, believe and practice in the dictum of Sir Martin Luther King, and I would like to quote, सच्ची शिक्षा के केवल दो लक्ष्य है, एक बुद्धिमत्ता और दूसरा चरित्र, और अकुर्डी शैक्षिक संकुल के हम सभी ये बुद्धिमत्ता और चरित्र निर्माण करने में दिन रात लगे हुए हैं. Let me now draw your attention to the rock-steady pillars of Dr. D.Y. Patil Educational Complex, Akurdi, who have been working relentlessly and consistently to make this campus a brand name in the field of education in Pune and Maharashtra and also India and abroad. Our highly honorable and revered members of the management are living examples of far-sighted and philanthropic visionaries. They are the backbone and lighthouse for all our stakeholders. Our respected parents, teachers and staff members are second parents, working consistently to convert the dreams and aspirations of our students, parents and industry partners into reality. Our students are positively reciprocating like on wings of fire to the teaching of the curriculum, knowledge, skills and attitude that we are imparting over here. Let me tell you, our parents are beautiful souls who are walking hand in hand with the teachers, helping us to carve out the personal and professional lives of their wards and our students. I salute our alumni, our industry and academic partners who have been helping us in grooming our students to be professionally competent and job ready, not only for Industry 4.0, but also Industry X.0. Excellence in academics has been the motto of Dr. D.Y. Patil Educational Complex, Akurdi, since its inception in 1984. And today, as a result of this, most of its colleges have been accredited by the prestigious NBA and NAC with good grades. Most of its colleges have been awarded the Best College Award by its affiliating University of Pune. The D.Y. Patil College of Pharmacy has been conferred the gold rank by AICT CII survey successively for 4 times. The principal of degree pharmacy, Dr. N.S. Vyavhare, was given the Best Principal Award by Savitribai Phule Pune University. Let me tell you, the faculty and students have won umpteen number of awards, accolades and recognitions by industry events, competitions, academia events and competitions, and in the areas of research and innovation. As we all know, the entire globe is combating with the menace of COVID-19. And we too, at Dr. D.Y. Patil Educational Complex, Akurdi, Pune, have put our best foot forward to find out solutions to fight this coronavirus. Let me tell you that we have in these past 4 months created a conducive online infrastructure, a digital infrastructure which provides online teaching and learning platforms for our teachers and students. Moreover, we have also set up a COVID cell at the campus level which ensures the safety and security measures such as wearing masks, sanitization, monitoring of body temperature for all our students, faculty members, staff, parents and visitors coming over to our campus. Let me tell you that in these past 4 months, we have successfully kept our students and parents engaged through online lectures, practicals, quizzes, tests, competitions, aptitude tests, upskilling certifications, counseling sessions, placement drives, desk research, online internships, and enriching inputs from icons from various walks of life, industry, and academia partners. And our students, faculty members, and parents have wholeheartedly reciprocated to all these efforts that we as a campus have taken to keep them encouraged, motivated, and energized to fight this menace of COVID-19. We, Team Dr. D.Y. Patil Educational Complex, Akurdi, understand that the pace of the future growth and progress of India to a large extent depends on the educational institutions in making available the latest and the useful knowledge, the right kind of technical competency and soft intelligent platforms for its students. And so here we are, all geared up to skill our students with the right kind of knowledge, skill and attitude through various platforms and prepare them for future jobs, because every future job is going to be a tech job. So we take all the efforts to upskill our students so they have longevity in their careers. So my dear parents and students, if you're knocking at the door of Dr. D.Y. Patil Educational Complex, Akurdi, Pune, let me tell you that you're knocking at the right door. I really thank you for joining in with me for this video and hoping to see you very soon with us in the serene, blissful and tucked away in the Mother Nature's lap campus of ours. Until we meet again, please stay fit, stay safe and stay healthy. Thank you and God bless you.